I welcome you to Blue Helm Space News Brief. You can find us at bluehelmco.com. Quote, we are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a mere planet of a very average star, but we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. Unquote, Stephen Hawking. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, and these are your top space news headlines. L3 Harris Technologies received a $119.1 million contract to upgrade and expand the network of U.S. military telescopes known as the Ground-Based Electro-Optical Deep Space Surveillance System that tracks objects in geostationary orbits. The contract, announced September 21st by the U.S. Space Force's Space and Missile Systems Center, funds upgrades to the existing GEO-DSS sensors and the design of the new ground-based optical sensors in Europe and Pacific site. The work is supposed to be completed by June 2024. Radar satellite operator Iceye raised $87 million in a Series C round announcement today, boosting the Finnish startup's total investment tally to $152 million. With the Series C round completed, Iceye is preparing to launch 4 small synthetic aperture radars (SAR) satellites in 2020 and at least 8 in 2021. In addition, Iceye USA has begun looking for a U.S. manufacturing site. According to TechCrunch, quote, Made in Space is pushing the envelope on what can, be made in space with its next mission, which is set to launch aboard a Northrop Grumman International Space Station resupply mission set for next Tuesday. Aboard that launch will be Made in Space's Turbine Ceramic Manufacturing Module, aka CMM, a commercial ceramic turbine blisk manufacturing device that uses 3D printing technology to produce detailed parts that require a high degree of production accuracy. Made in Space, which was acquired early this year by a new commercial space supply parent company, Redwire, has been at the forefront of creating and deploying 3D printing technologies in space, particularly through its partnership with the International Space Station. Unquote. Can you feel it all coming together? Asteroid mining is right around the corner. I mean, right around the corner. Maybe tomorrow. Could be tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow. Do you hear that? That's the sound of no worries. That's future shredding. Contactless on-site shredding from LA to Orange County. We provide residential and commercial service to meet your needs. You don't have to believe me. Go ahead and check out our Yelp reviews. Our friendly staff is here to meet and exceed your needs. So give us a call at 562-426-0557 or visit our website at futureshredding.com to set up a reoccurring or one-time purge shredding service. Again, that's 562-426-0557 or futureshredding.com. Law, policy, and events in space. NASA used the release of a report on the Artemis program to seek full funding of the efforts to return humans to the moon, warning that they had 6 months to secure its budget to keep a 2024 landing on schedule. It's a long read, but the PDF of the Artemis plan is in the show notes. Technologies to enable exact and soft landings on the moon and other worlds will fly on Blue Origin's next Shepard suborbital rocket launch, currently targeted for 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time Thursday, September 24th, which is also our next launch. The company's live launch webcast will start at 10:30 a.m. and air on NASA's television and the agency's website. I've included an article titled, Why Now is the Most Exciting Time in Space in 50 Years. I was going to read you a full excerpt, but I'm going to leave you with the final sentences. Quote, imagine being given the chance to work with Henry Ford on the Model T in the 1910s, or to join Google as it was getting started in 2000. That's the moment we're in with space right now, unquote. If that didn't give you the goosies, I don't know what will. Go give it a read. So this might sound a little different. The first part was recorded in my garage, and the second part is recorded in a makeshift studio. So if it sounds better, go ahead and let me know. Also, check your calendars. Watch out for that next space launch with the Blue Origin rocket, which would be very exciting. Drink your water. Tell a friend, tell a family member about the podcast. Rate, review, subscribe. Go to our YouTube, go to our Twitter, go to our Instagram. You know all the things. Drink your water. I'm off to go make homemade meatballs. I hope you're happy with me, because it's going to be great. All right. Talk to you tomorrow. Blue Helm.